When storing your own bulk fuel, there are several things that are critical to consider so you can meet the fuel cleanliness requirements of your Tier 4 engine-equipped machines. Always start with a clean storage tank, and when possible, place the tank where temperatures will be stable to minimize condensation. Ensure your tank has a 1-micron desiccant-style vent filter. This will provide proper ventilation while keeping contaminants out. Check that your dispensing filter is a water-removing design and rated to 10 microns or less. Some dispensing filter systems include a bypass. On these systems, the filter must be changed prior to becoming full to prevent unfiltered fuel from bypassing into your machine. Changing the filter twice a year, typically in the spring and fall, is ideal for most applications. Change it more often if necessary. You should also periodically test and analyze your fuel. Collect and test the fuel to measure its cleanliness, water percentage, and cloud point. See your dealer for available fuel analysis kits and water finding paste. Establish a record-keeping system. Keep a storage tank preventative maintenance log and track the following: maintenance and cleaning history, refill and supplier history, filter replacements, and particle count from fuel tests. If you live in a colder climate, you'll also want to prepare your fuel supply for winter. Switch to a winter blend early to be ready for surprising temperature changes. And to avoid gelling, confirm your supplier uses a winter blend of number 1 and number 2 diesel with a low cloud point temperature. One more thing. If you use biodiesel, completely purge the tank before winter.